Guys, glad to be here back on YouTube. Another episode of my YouTube channel, a very important one. Today, finally, we remove the engine. So we removed the engine today, and I'm very excited about this complete engine overhaul that I'm going to do on my van. Also, I'm going to repair other things that need to be repaired. So I just want to trust in this van. You know, it's an old one, and I just realized that I still haven't finished my project. You know, because I didn't invest too much money in the engine. So I'm very excited. I have some footage that of the engine removal today. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you now, and also I want to say that I love when you tell me things about my YouTube channel. Some things like I will love to see this or that. So it's very important to understand my audience. And for me, there's a lot of things. Obviously, I live here in Chile. A lot of things that are very common, but maybe for you, it's completely different. So I want to understand better my audience, what they want to see in this channel. I don't want to just do a van life channel. You know, the van, it is a vehicle for to do a different kind of lifestyle. That's why I choose to live in my van. But for me, the most important thing is the real meaning of freedom. Trying to go for freedom, no matter if you fail, if you have success, no matter. So I'm gonna share all of that with you guys. I'm going to share not only my successes, also my failures. So in that way, if you are planning to go into this path, you have some experience watching, learning for what I'm doing now. Also, I learned for a lot of people doing things, the very similar things. This is the footage of my engine removal today. So guys, just a little update to stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video, and I'm going to let you know, guys, when I have more news here with my engine. I'm going to return now to Temuco, and then I'm going to return back to Curicó here, to the mechanic, when he starts to build the engine. So we are going to do a series of videos, maybe 1, 2, or 3, I don't know, of the rebuilding process of that engine too. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Keep tuned out there for more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next video. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up over there. Thanks for watching.